Lagos State, where a 32-year-old boy, simply identified as Joseph Ada, was arrested for stealing a car of his former boss. You know, he was terminated of his employment sometime in June. So for some reasons, he had a duplicate of the car key, a 2015 Camry. He had gone to his former boss' place and stole this car and was about selling it. Yeah, his former boss was living somewhere in Osapa, London, Lekki, and took it to Ikeja, where he was about selling it before he was apprehended. But funny enough, we were so amazed with the reason why he stole the car. He stole the car so he can sell it and give his father a befitting burial. Wahala no dey finish. Of course, talking about wahala, we are going to Rivers State. Rivers State has been certified as the politically wahala state in Nigeria. In fact, they have kept every journalist and every blogger on their toes. They have, of course, Rivers State had the most talked about